This is our daughter hiccuping. She's asleep and she's hiccuping. It's like a little mouse.
Yeah, it's just a little steak.
And of course she stops as soon as I start filming it. Oh, there it is. Hmm.